How's it going, guys? You know who it is. It is me, Sniper123HD here. As you can tell, we're doing part 2 of the last of Target FX opening. And here's my mum, because I couldn't do it.
Mum?
Mum.
Thank you.
So yeah, as you watched, I could not do this.
I've got an itchy iPhone.
So I'm hoping my mum can do it. And if she can, I'll clean up.
And by me mum, he means my mum. I tell you what, you nearly got your eyes taken out with a pair of sharp scissors then. Naughty.
Oh wait, that's the tag.
There you go.
How did you do it?
It was easy. Right, what do you have to do? Did you read the instructions before you threw the box away?
Haha, I'm not stupid. I got the instructions. I'm smart. I think.
Has it got batteries in it already? No?
Gonna need some batteries. But lads, look at that. Oh my god. That was hilarious. So yeah, somebody will fly it. Then the other person goes like, shh, hasta la vista, baby. Do you want me to go get some batteries?
Huh?
Do you want me to go get some batteries?
I need a screwdriver. Yeah, you get the batteries. I think I've got a screwdriver over here. I think.
Jeez, you keep everything up here.
I know.
Right, lads, let's go downstairs and get some batteries. Are they just normal batteries?
Batteries.
Are they normal batteries?
Yeah, double A's.
Okay. Yeah, sure. Doesn't seem right. What do we get? Oh, jeez, man. Okay. 2 AA batteries. What? Right. You know what I think I've got? Yeah, I can't find them. Oh. No. I don't know. Keep the double batteries, I do. I need AA batteries. I don't know. I can't find them. Don't know what they are.
He needs 4 double A batteries, Dad.
Well, is them what I've got?
Double A.
Are they double A's? What, put in that Drake's car? Or they're triple A?
How do you not know what double A are? The bigger ones. The bigger ones.
The huge one.
No.
No, they're thin but like pen size.
Yeah, Dad.
I've got about 4.
They're in the cupboard downstairs.
Yeah, I can't find them, lads.
What
What did you say?
I did. Hey guys, that's some tension for you. And say your goodbyes. Agent Spy here.
Tomorrow night, do you want to play,
Mines.
yeah, Minecraft and Big Bang Theory Cluedo?
Yeah. Hasta la vista.
Got a line on your iPad screen. What is it?
Oh, say.
Oh, it's a square. Why isn't it a square?
I don't know. It turned into dead, but I don't really care because it still was. 20 years later. No, we're in a war.
Bet you it brings the wrong batteries. What do you think? Right, turn that chair around because you're going to tip it and you're going to break it.
Duracell one.
Oh, God.
No granddads were shown in this video.
Thank you.
Thank
What, no, you
you.
give me them
Jack,
army ones.
you know you're on YouTube, yeah?
You give me the army ones.
Yeah.
Now they lasted on a Christmas tree for a week.
You're welcome.
Yeah, they are, yeah. And so I haven't got them on, put others in them, then they've went down.
You're welcome.
But Jack's having
Thank
that day.
you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
What? That
Get in the
Christmas
battery.
tree. But it's when, you know, brand new. You know, Lisa?
Dad, do you know he's videoing?
Well, it won't go on.
Yes,
It'll make up.
it's going on YouTube, Dad, with you chattering on.
You saw nothing.
Oh, because I didn't swear then, isn't it?
You did when you went down to get the batteries. I heard you.
Who's the morning son?
You.
A bit like that taxi fella, isn't it?
Right, Dad.
What? You said Dad.
What are you
So
doing
this-
now?
What about, where's this from?
I'll sort that out. Why?
Jack will know why.
I didn't do anything.
Does it...
Does it just sit on it?
Dad?
Is that it, Jack?
Right, yeah, then what?
I didn't read the instructions. I just knew
Oh my
that.
God. So you just know you do that?
I thought you just controlled it and it flew about.
Well, how would you control it then?
Oh,
No, go away. No.
Right, let's go target practicing.
You press down or do you slide it? That in.
Well, if you give me a minute to read the instructions, I'll find out exactly what you do.
Sweet.
Jack, better not be making a mess in my house.
I'm not, I'm just shooting. Right, lads, stay here.
Move away. Dad, I can't read it because you keep chatting on and asking me if I'm doing it.
That's totally. Oh my god, I just got next. Right, 3, 2,
Right, it's charging.
good.
I'm reading it. After 20 minutes, the LED will stop flashing and stay lit when fully charged. Press the power button
Yes, so lads, I will do the target episode.
Jack, Mia,
Why?
Stop singing, come on.
because I think it's ready.
Ready for what? It's ready for shooting.
Jack, that dirty socket smell in your bed.
I know, I'm useless. It's because I might be going through puberty. But it's charged.
I don't know, we'll find out now.
Charge means it's fully charged, that means you can play.
Oh, it stopped flashing.
There.
Oh, now it's just gone off.
You've got batteries all in it, haven't you?
Dad!
Yeah,
Hasta la vista,
even.
baby.
Right, Jack. Why?
What about you put it in that cabinet at light?
Because I don't want to put it on that cabinet.
Put it on top of his head, pal.
Dad? I don't think it's ready.
Well, you know, if it's not, try it.
I've just tried it!
No, whatever he's playing with.
This.
Right, Jack, you need to charge it for 20 minutes at least.
Well, that's 5, 10, it's 6 o'clock. You'll be at work.
Right, so you might as well wait until you get home. Charge it until you get home and then it'll work when you get home,
And
okay?
if it's not,
Then I can play.
yeah, but if it's just dead, like a normal blank screen, it water charge, no, it won't if you keep moving it.
Do you want me to shoot
What?
Daddy?
Yes, I want you to shoot Granddaddy. Thank you, Jack.
Hasta la vista.
You got text messages.
Baby.
I thought that works with that.
It does work with that.
So why is he shooting then if it's working?
Because he wants to, alright? He just, why is that still there?
Because I had him in my hand, didn't I? Yeah, look, there's 2 there as well.
Right, Jack, you need to get ready. They're not batteries.
No, I'm not about batteries now, I'll change what I'm saying.
Jack, you need to get ready for karate.
Okay. Hope all you guys enjoyed this video. Hope all you guys enjoyed
Try
this
not to
video.
touch that because it's charging,
Thanks
okay?
to my mum. Thank you. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, press that like button and subscribe. So off now, guys. Goodbye. See ya.